Hi, my name is Robert-Hollis, and if you're watching this, the first thing I want to do is congratulate you, because this segment is called How to Get Started. If you're watching this, I want you to know for a fact, like I've said on the other tapes, is I know for a fact that you can do this. And here's what's the incredible thing. Do you know how many percentage of the people in the world actually will bet on them? Less than 10% of the people will actually try something different to change the outcome of their life, change the outcome of their health, and also their family. So just by you looking at the get started part shows me what kind of person you are, and you should congratulate yourself. Now, the first thing that you need to do is just 4 simple steps. What's amazing about this business is it's got to be simple for an auto mechanic from North Dakota to do this. So it's 4 simple steps. The first step is very simply get started. Just enroll. Now, our company has 2 things that you can do to get enrolled. One is you can get started at $25, which basically just locks you in. It's like an application fee. But we also have what is called the Smart Start. That's a $30 package, and get this, you get to pick the products that you want that equal more than $30. The kit is waived, the application is waived, plus you get 3 websites to start marketing your business. So the first thing you need to do is just get started. It's the first step. The second step is you also can start at one of our advanced packages. We have an Executive Success Pack 1, 2, and 3. Now, guess what? When you pick one of those, the more you can afford, the more inventory you have, the faster you can build your business. But I totally understand. When I first got involved in this industry, I didn't have a lot of money. But you can get started at the Exec Success Pack 1, which is $195, the Exec Success Pack 2, which is $495, where you get $500 worth of product, and also the Exec Success Pack 3, which is $995 and over $1,000 worth of product. And so you got all these samples. It's always funny that people always come to me all the time. They go, well, why do I have to pay money for inventory? This is not a job. We all know what jobs do to people. It makes them broke, just over broke, okay? So bottom line, we want to get you into your own business. Your own business will teach you word for word, step by step, how to do that. But if you're going to start a small vending, you wouldn't start with an empty wagon, would you? If you're starting a McDonald's, you wouldn't start it with no hamburgers. So get started where you can afford. Now, here's an important part too. At any time, you can upgrade yourself, and also you can work yourself to exact ESP 1, 2, or 3. So pick the best place to get started. Now what you need to do is qualify your position. What you need to do is do $50 in personal volume. Now, when you start at the Smart Start at $30, when you first get started, you can order $50 worth of personal volume then, or add it later. But you have to do $50 in personal volume to basically activate your position. The next step is you have to show this and share it with 2 people, one on your left team and one on your right team. And they each have to do $50 in personal volume. What's great about the Executive Service Packs 1, 2, and 3 is that each one of them have commissionable value that actually goes into that. So an example, if someone started as an ESP1, one on your left and one on your right, you're now qualified. So that's what you need to do to start earning commissions. What I love about being an ESP 1, 2, or 3 is you can make money right away. Some of you are watching us and saying, listen, I need to make money immediately. If you do, and you can find a way to start at one of those packages, and you get somebody else and we'll help you do that, get started at that package, you've got already a fast start bonus coming to you right away. So you can get one on one and one on the other, and then start building this. Now, as you go out there and build your group, all you got to do now is start helping people. Follow our proven system. Follow our proven system, because you just need to pay attention. The bottom line, if you wanted to be a doctor, are you the kind of person that's smart enough to go to school? I hope you are. I was an auto mechanic. I went to school. So please get involved in this, because I want you to understand this is not one of those get-rich-quick schemes. But I hope it's better than probably the program you're currently on, which is getting broke very slow. Okay? You know what I mean? So get in this company and learn. It's not going to happen overnight. Everyone gets in these things where they think it's they get rich quick, or I want it to happen overnight. We're in the instant society. We want our food right away. We want everything right away. So please understand, get in this and learn how to do this, because 2 will turn into 4, and 4 will turn into 8. Will it work perfectly? No. Some people will bring in 0, and some people will bring in 800, like my friend Fred. Okay? So please understand that you get to just introduce this to as many people as you can. Please look on the internet because we constantly have trainings to show you word for word, step by step how to do this. Also make sure to check out our local training events, also our regional training events and our international training events. I know for a fact that you can do this because an auto mechanic from North Dakota did this. But you got to be willing to be coachable. You got to be willing to do the things that have to be done. Everything that we do is very, very simple. It's very easy. But as you know, it's very easy not to. So we're going to show you word for word, step by step on how to do this. So just to round up really quickly, first one, enroll. Pick the $25 or the $30 in product and get your application and kit waived. 2, where to get started. You want to figure out what position you can get started at. And then the third one is pay attention and get taught exactly how to do this.